Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela. The forex trader Themba Silahle, famously known as Grootman, finds himself making headlines yet again over his forex business and the alleged swindling of his clients and investors. Grootman lands himself even more in hot water as he gets blasted on social media over his alleged forex trading Ponzi schemes. According to journalist Quintin Magiala, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, which is FCSA, has warned the public to stay away from doing any forex trading business with the Grootman. Taking it to social media, Quintin wrote on Twitter, "Just in, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority (FCSA) has warned the public to be cautious when doing any financial services business with Themba Silahle, aka also known as Shaw_Grootman." Quintin also stated that the FCSA is aware of how Grootman conducts his forex trading business, where he promises unreasonable returns to some of his clients and investors, but never keeps to the end of his bargain when it comes to refund his clients. He tweeted, "According to FCSA, Silahle allegedly offers to trade in forex on behalf of members of the public. He promises high and unreasonable returns to clients and is alleged to ignore them when they attempt to withdraw their funds or their profits. People should be careful of this guy. A lot of people are coming out on Twitter and they're exposing Grootman, so beware of the scammers. If you want to trade, take classes and understand trading and sign up to the right platforms." Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.